Hey guys, welcome back to Feature Friday. Today we are going to be introducing you to our newest team member, and it's not someone you would expect. Meet Ray, the Undercoach specialist. Ray just joined the team, and we are so stoked about this because we are always looking for better ways to show you what exactly is going on underneath your coach. While we're filming, it is really hard to get under there while the boys are also working. And these are going to hopefully give us a better point of view of what is going on and what it goes into giving you a safer and happier drive. Before we see how Ray does on the job, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button so you keep up to date with more of our videos. And let's go see how he does. I'd say Ray is off to a good start to bringing us one step closer to giving you a clearer vision of what our technicians are doing under your coach. Comment down below what you think about our newest team member. At the end of the day, we just want to let you see exactly what is going into giving you a better and safer drive. Thank you for tuning in this Feature Friday. I can't wait to see you next Feature Friday. And until next time, I hope you have safer and happier driving. Take it from the top, because we are always looking for better ways to show you what a... They're hard to get at. I can't remember my lines. Meet Ray, the undercover coach specialist.